like that. I don't know what his deal is with me. He's got a lot to say about me. But the thing is, he don't even know me. I never kicked it with him, never hung out with him. He don't even know me. So October 15th, there's definitely going to be fireworks.
You're going to be running, man. Stop it.
Sounds
you
good.
Running.
Sounds good.
You running.
So,
you know you running. You ain't never sat there with
even
nobody.
Even on his social media the other day, he had the
nobody.
Bernard Hopkins versus Joe Kozlowski thing.
You ain't never sat there with nobody. Run.
Saying, I'll never let a white boy beat me. I'll never let a white boy beat me.
I would never let a white boy beat me. I would never let a white boy beat me. I would never let a white boy beat me. I would never let a white boy beat me. I'll never let a white boy beat me. And you can call it any statement you want. Anybody can print that. I would never lose to a white person. I can't wait.
And, boxing nor life has ever been about race or color to me. But you remember what happened in that fight, right? Since that's what you wanted to post up. Do you remember?
Chuck Champa scores it 116 to 111 to the winner by split decision. From Newbridge Wells, still undefeated.
So, like I said, it ain't never been about race or color to me. But come October 15th, when I do beat him, it won't be because I'm white. It won't be because of what I look like. It won't have nothing.
I mean, like I said, I know my potential. If I train like I'm supposed to, of course that I am. Nobody can beat me, man. And I told this to a few Europeans, man. I never lost to a white boy in my life, and I ain't gonna start now.
I love Mia.
Nothing to do with none of that. It'll be because I'm better than him.
Another jab to the body by Plant. Left hook connected by Plant. And caught Dirrell. But he said this guy couldn't defend his belts, ever. And there's a right hand that Dirrell landed clean on Plant. Back and forth these men have gone, and there's Dirrell certainly trying to mark it up, and there's a great jab. Plant feels like Dirrell fights with his motions a lot, and there's a left hand. Both men are tripped up, and Dirrell's on top of Plant. And there's another left hand with 41 over Dirrell's 25. And there's another looking for that big power shot, and there's a left hook on the top. Until the ref stops it, I'm going to continue going. There's a right hand from Dirrell. Catches Plant on the chin as Plant throws his hands up as he continues to maneuver out of Dirrell in that undisputed fight. There's another left hand, but Dirrell again. And there's Plant just mocking Dirrell. And Dirrell starting to mock Plant through. And there's a left hook to the corner. Dirrell now trying to go for it. And there's both men again tied up as Plant threw Dirrell down. And right hand that connected on Plant. There's another body shot. Now huge left. Puts Dirrell down. One punch. Good night.
I never lost to a white boy in my life, and I ain't gonna start now.